Hey guys, this is Noel Padagaukar from Techie Paddy and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I have brought something special and these are the Redmi AirDots and these are the wireless earphones by Xiaomi and these are a direct competition to the Apple AirPods. So how good are these earphones? I'll be talking about in this video and also I'll be covering a small unboxing part of the earphones. So without further ado, let's begin. So guys, as you can see that these are the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots and yes, these are directly imported from China because everything is written in Chinese. It's not officially available in the UK, but it was available on Amazon UK, so I had to order it. And also I wanted to note that since this is not a global variant or something, everything is going to be in Chinese, including the instruction manual and so on. So on the left side you can see of the box it is written Bluetooth 5.0, so that's a great thing about this, that it is provided with Bluetooth 5.0. At the back side you can see that all the technical specifications are written over here, but everything is in Chinese. So and also they have given some instruction in English that please charge this product carefully before using it for the first time and so on. And now that's it. What do we have over here? And now let's rip it open. Let me just get my scissor. Yep. So now we will just open up the box. So it is a bit tedious to open it from here. So let me just try. Okay, now it is easy. So what do we get inside the box? Okay, interesting. Just keep this on this side. This is the case. Just remove this also, and it says Redmi and the earphones are in this. On the back side of this box you have the micro USB port to charge these headphones. What else do we get? We get some ear tips. So how many of them? I think there are two pairs. Okay, and yeah, also we get a charging cable. So let me just take that out. Okay, a mini micro USB cable you get, and you get the instruction manual. Oh, surprisingly it's in English. I thought it's going to be in Chinese. So they have given the instruction on how to use these earphones. So now let's talk about the earphones. So guys, these are the Redmi AirDots in the charging case. So let's open it up. So first of all, what you notice are these earphones. Okay, and in the charging case you will be able to see that there are two pins over here, which means it is for charging. And let's keep this on the side. So basically what you can do is you can charge this and take it with you. So then when you just put your earphones in it, you will be able to charge it, or you can charge the earphones as well as the charging port simultaneously. Now looking at these earphones, first of all, look at the build quality. It is very good. They are very light and they what do you call it? So you have to be very careful since they're going to be light. You may or may not notice whether they're in your hand or right now or not. And as you guys can notice that there's a blue color film on this. So when you have to charge these earphones, you need to remove this blue color film. So let me just remove this. So let's remove it from here.
10 seconds later.
Alright, so guys, as you can see that we have removed this blue color film on which it was there. So now once we keep it on in the box, it should charge. So I hope the box is charged. Okay, so what I felt that these two are buttons, 1 and 2, like this. So, and guys, I don't know whether you can see this or not. I don't think I'll be able to show you and my camera won't do justice. But since if you can observe, there is a red color light which is over here. This means the charging, and when you remove it, it turns white. So it is blinking, as you can see. So what I will do is let me just compare it to my phone, and then I will give you my initial impression as to what do I feel about this earphones. So guys, now let's talk about the earphones. That's the AirDots actually. Okay, so first of all, let me show you guys something. Now you can see that these earphones are illuminated in red, meaning they are charging. As soon as you remove it, you will be able to see that the white light is blinking, meaning it is pairing Okay, and it will pair. Right now my phone's Bluetooth is on, and right now it will pair and this white light will go off that after the pairing. Similarly, once you remove this part also, this earphone, it will again blink, and now I got a notification saying that they are paired and 100% battery. So now let me show you how to insert them in the ear. So these are the right ones and these are the left ones, and you mentioned on the earphones. Okay, now what we are going to do is, let me show you this. So if you observe clearly how to insert it, the earphone tip should be downwards and this mechanism should be upwards. So it should be going like this, and see how it fits perfectly. Similarly, on the left hand side, you will be able to see you have to insert it like this, and voila, these are the Xiaomi AirDots and they fit perfectly. Talking about the noise cancellation, so the noise cancellation is pretty good. I have done some testing while going down in the street, going on the road and checking myself how this noise cancellation is, and it's pretty good noise cancellation. And also let me tell you guys that these earphones also have a microphone, so you will be able to even answer calls and talk simultaneously without even needing to remove your phone. Next, about the sound quality. So sound quality is pretty good. Okay, I won't say it's the best, it is good. Okay, for the best you will have to go for the higher end, but these are budget oriented earpods. Okay, the earphones, sorry, the Bluetooth earphones, not the AirPods, the AirDots. So sound quality is decent, it's not bad, it's not great, it's good. I mean, that's all I can say from my perspective. Bass is good, okay, that's all I can say, and sound is equally balanced. Okay, now since we are talking about sound quality, let me also talk to you about the loudness. They are pretty loud. Okay, my phone, I had to keep my volume at 50% and still I could hear my music very well. And I usually keep my calls at 100%, and since it was when I was talking on a call also to hear, it was too loud, so I had to reduce the volume. So guys, all I can tell you is you are saving, so you can just reduce the volume while using these earphones. Around 50-55% is enough for these earphones. Okay, and talking about pairing, so it is pretty easy to pair. Just as you remove it from the casing, the earphones begin and start, and then it will be appearing in the Bluetooth devices list. You can just click on it and pair. That's it, done. So these were my opinions about this. Now also some people will be concerned, how good are they in fitting? So let me just fit them again. Okay, for me, these are the default earpieces which are offered by the Xiaomi AirDots. Okay, and all I can say is, even if I move my head, let me just show you a small demonstration. So these earphones, I felt dizzy, I'm so sorry, I felt dizzy. So the thing is, what I'm trying to tell you is these earphones are fitted properly. I mean, even if you're walking, moving, they won't fall off easily, alright. But I am really not sure whether they are sweat proof or that IPX67 something rating is there usually for the sweat proof. I am not sure whether these are sweat proof or not, so you'll have to check, and or if I find out, I'll just leave it in the video description or on the screen. Anyway, so these are all about these Xiaomi earphones, and once you put them in the box like this back, the earphones switch off and get disconnected. But now your question arises, what if I'm on the move and what if the earphones are in my pocket? So there are buttons. So basically both the earphones have buttons. When you tap, you have various functionalities. Like even if you keep pressing for 5 seconds, they turn off. You keep pressing for around 2 seconds, they turn on. You press once to play the music, pause the music, whatever, answer calls, reject calls, you can do that. All the functionalities are given in the instruction manual which is given in the box. So you guys, if you buy it, you will be able to understand them very easily, and it's pretty easy to understand, nothing complicated. So once this is done, these are charging right now, but the best part is when you connect a micro cable to this, you are also charging your earphones as well as this charging case. And I feel that these will go on for a long time, as you know, if you keep on keeping in the case and then using the earphones, they'll be completely charged. Alright, but I'm really not sure how to detect the case battery. Okay, I'm not really sure about that, so if I find some option, I will leave in the description box. So that's all about these Redmi AirDots. And guys, if you want to buy it, I will leave the link in the description. So I bought it from Amazon UK for £22.59. Okay, so it's around £23. So if you convert to Indian rupees, somewhere near 22,300 rupees, which is not bad for these AirDots. Okay, and I just hope they're soon available in India and many people can use these earphones. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel Techie Perry, this is the first time. My name is Mohit Padgaonkar and this is my channel Techie Perry. Do subscribe. If you have any comments or any feedback, please do leave it in the comment section of this video. Please share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.